this is just a leadership lesson from running a business for 30 years, is when you let that person go, 100% of the time in my career, it was worse than you thought. They were doing more damage than you knew, 100% of the time. So you're actually, the tumor ran deeper than you thought. You knew they didn't belong there, but you didn't know how badly they didn't belong there. You didn't know how much damage they were doing. And hesitation, again, I'm going to hesitate. Oh, maybe I'm going to give them one more chance, because it doesn't feel good to fire people. Nobody enjoys fire. Well, there's probably somebody who does, but it doesn't. But the job is not about feeling good. It's about respecting all of your employees and saying it's not fair to everybody else to keep this person here and expect them to do A player work when he's doing D- work and still gets to stay here. They slide down to B's and C's because it's like, why am I working so hard if he doesn't? So and you're not being fair to that person who sucks at what they do. You say, look, how long are you gonna let them suck at what they do? It's like, you need to know now that you're not good at this job, and you need to go figure out how to be better at a job, but not here.
If this culture clip helped you, hit that like button below, and we'll see you in the next clip.